Hello, I will try today to pick the Master 140. This is a not expensive pick, it's a small one, but it's difficult to pick because the fourth pin must be very low and the third pin must be very high. Then when you come with the pick, the third pick is in the way to pick the fourth pick. Sorry for my English, I'm French. Then I will try to pick it because with the very excellent raking system, it doesn't work. I spent half an hour on it and it doesn't work because the third pin is too high and it's in the way to access the fourth pin. Then I will try to pick it like that. I hope you see it. Then I will try it first to be 1, 2, 3, and then I first start the fourth one. And then I have to release sometimes a little bit the tension, not too heavy tension, and sometimes release it. Because when you pick the fourth one, you have to release a little bit the third one to get the two firsts. Then you go like that. Huh? Fourth one and 1, 2. In this angle, yes, and then fourth one, a little bit release it. 1, 2, fourth one, a little bit release also. Up. Voila, and it's open. Boom. Thank you very much. This is a sober pick, English pick, very, very good, very thinny pick. And this is, you not have to do more like that. And you can open it anyway. Thank you.